Hey everyone, Scott from MySeps here. Today I want to do something a little bit different and share with you how I can rank #1 on Google for no cost at all. I get these emails every day. My inbox is flooded. We found your website on Google. You're not #1. Pay us money and we'll get you to #1. We need you to get better traffic for your website, and this is a bunch of bull. Guys, I can show you how to do all of this for free and also build your website completely free. So let's go over here to Google and type in a few things and see what comes up. Color separator, screen print. First one, MySeps.com. Let's try another one. T-shirt, separations. Down here, #1, MySeps.com. So guys, you can get this for free. You don't have to pay anybody any money, and let me show you how. So this is the first website that I built back in 2011, and I built it using Adobe Dreamweaver. And I like how it looks, but it just wasn't performing well on Google. I was getting no traffic to the website, and on top of everything, I was paying a monthly fee to have this website hosted on the internet. So I had to figure out a way to get this a little bit more Google friendly and also not have to pay a monthly fee. So here is my website, myseps.com, as it is today, and it is on Tumblr. And what Tumblr is a social media platform. So it's a free to use application that you can just go on the internet, and you can upload pictures, you can upload content, and you can share it with other people. And it's a really cool interactive website where other people can take your pictures, share them on their page, which can bring you more traffic to your website. Another cool feature about Tumblr is that you can have a multi-page template. So you're able to interact with your website. And so for example, I have a recommendation section here that has all the quotes of the people that have recommended me. I can have my FAQ page where it's just text and it explains all the information you need to know. They have widgets down here where it shows someone can email you directly or go to your Facebook or Instagram page. So there's all kinds of different options here on the different templates. So let me go ahead and show you a little more in depth on the templates and how to go about changing your template. So let's log into Tumblr, and we will click on our page here, edit appearance, and then edit theme. So here you have a little inside area where you can edit all the information. You can edit your logo, change some things about the website. If you do have like some HTML code, you can copy and paste it into this description here, and it'll appear on the side. See this little MySeps Facebook link? I have my Facebook likes, so you can like my Facebook page directly from my website. But over here at the top is browse themes. So you can click that and you can see all of the different themes. Now my theme right here, single A, that's a $9 theme. It was free when I made the website, and they now charge $9 for it, but you can see that they're not that expensive. There's a $20 one, some $50 ones, but if you want it to be free, all you got to do is click this and go to free themes. And there's all sorts of free options here, and you can actually click on them and your website will refresh with that theme, and then if you choose that theme, everything will be converted to the new theme. So there's different ones you can try out, and just pick whichever one works for you. So let's go ahead and add a picture, and I can show you guys how to add keywords which help you in your Google ranking. So let's go to Tumblr and let's add a photo. Okay, I'm going to click upload photos. So I've got this pinball photo here, and I can put a description, 10 color separation by MySeps. And now down here is the tags, and the tags are what are going to help you rank in Google. These are your keywords. So let's put t-shirt, screen print, screen space print, wizard, Dragon, Pinball, Expo, clothing, what else? All right, and then we're going to hit post. Okay, now if we go back to our website and refresh, there it is. So you have your picture on your website now, right at the top. I have this other picture here, and since I added the word sticky down here in the keywords, it sticks it to the top, and it's always at the top of the page. So if you have something that you always want to be there, that's how you get it to the top. Otherwise, it's going to be the next one down. And so as you add content, you're always having fresh content right at the top. The older stuff moves to the bottom, and people are always going to see new things when they come to your website. Also, when people are searching on Google for those keywords, that's what brings them to your website, is those keywords. So it's really important to get those as many keywords as you can in each image. So what I like about a Tumblr website is it is completely free. So you don't pay for any hosting of the website. That's included. They even include a domain name if you like. So my free domain name was myseps.tumblr.com. And if you go to that, it'll redirect you to myseps.com, which is a domain that I already owned. You have the option to do that or just stay with the free one that they've given you. So I hope this information was helpful if you were trying to build a website for free, or if you're trying to rank your website higher in Google. I hope this helped you out. If you like this kind of content, please give a like, leave a comment down below, and we'll catch you in the next video. See ya.